On Akash here. This is Just for Men Easy Comb in Color. If you see it on TV, so I'm gonna compare this one to this Just for Men shampoo in color. Which one is better, and which one is easiest way to color your hair, and which one is affordable, like the price range? Which one should you get? Because easy in color, shampoo in color, you're gonna use it for like every 2 months. You're gonna use it again and again. So which is gonna be easy for you to use it, and also is affordable to so you could buy it all the time. So Just for Men Easy Comb in Color, if you see it on TV, so if you open this box, if you order it, if you get this box, this is how it's gonna look like. You're gonna see the tube, you're gonna see instruction, you're gonna see it comes with gloves, and it also comes with this comb. So it's very easy. It's already pre-mixed, so you don't have to do nothing. Simply you take this the top, and you peel it out. You can see it, and just see this right here. You could just screw. It's kind of like screwing it like this, and that's it. You're done. You just squeeze the tube, and you could put it exactly where you need it. Exactly where you need it. If you need it here, you just use it. It's very simple and easy way to use it. And so the thing is, most of the color, if you used it before, you have to mix it up. Nothing like that. So it's just simple. Just take it out. It's around like $7. If you just buy one, you could get 3-pack for like around 21 bucks. It's on sale. I have the link in the description box. So it's good for 8 weeks. So up to 8 weeks. So that's good for like 2 months. If you get 3-packs, so that's gonna be good for 6 months. And definitely I think that's the easiest way to do it. And if you use the Just for Men shampoo in color, if you look at the price range, it's again the same thing. If you get 1-pack, it's around like $7, and if you get like 3-packs, around 21 bucks. So that's again, it's good for like 8 weeks. Every time you use it, full bottle is 8 weeks, so it's good for 2 months. So if you get 3-packs, that's for like 6 months. Or you could just get 1-pack and try it out. By the way, when you check the link in description box, when you click that, it gives you option if you want to get 1, or you want a 3-pack, or you want to get which color, depend on your hair, black or gray, like light brown, whatever. It gives you all the option there that you wanted to get. So this one, same thing, comes with the gloves, it comes with the color, and also it comes with the the mixer. So the shampoo and the mixer. So this is the difference between these two. This one you don't have to mix anything. Same price range, is good for 8 weeks, but this one you just simply just use it. You're done with it. It's simple, and keep it 10 minutes on your hair. And I would recommend using cold water when you wash out your hair. Use cold water. That's better. And it's already shampoo in color. So I don't think you need to do shampoo right away. Just keep it 10 minutes and just rinse it out with cold water. You're good. But this one you have to mix it up, and same process. You have to use the gloves and put it all over your hair with your 2 hands. So that's a little bit more work than this, but otherwise then there's no different. And you gotta keep it for 10 minutes and just rinse it out with cold water, and it's good for 8 weeks. So these are the two different, I would say, but the price range, if you look at it, is about the same. By the way, in my channel I talk about a lot of hair products personally I used and helped me regrow my hair over the years. Lots of natural shampoo, natural like serum, like biotin, and like just many other things in there. You could check it out, all hair growth product in my channel. If you recently start seeing thinning hair or something, you could definitely check it out. And another thing, I'm recently trying to grow my beard, and it's just 2 days I used. This is called Lidoria. I have a detailed video about this Lidoria. It's really good to regrow your beard really fast. So this is a really small bottle. I have a detailed video. I'll put the link in the description box too. You could check it out. Both this product is very similar products, but I would definitely recommend this one personally, because this is similar product but very easy to use. And if this video is really helpful to you, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.